Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to give you an introduction to Revit and the Revit UI. So once you open Revit for the first time, you will generally be seeing this welcome screen here. Now this is the new welcome screen. If you like to switch to the old welcome screen, you can click on this toggle button and then you would see the old welcome screen. In most cases, let's click on new Revit home since we'll be using this in most cases. Now here in the center, you would find all your recent files that you opened. So these are all the recent files that I opened. And you can always sort these recent files by name, date modified, and type, or also check it as a list. In your case, if you've not opened a file yet, you will not see all your recent files. This is only when you start opening projects or creating new projects. Now on the left here, you can create a new project or open a new project. In the newer versions, it's called models rather than projects. In the previous versions, it was called projects. So they've changed this to models here. So when you want to open an existing project, you can click on open. Or when you want to create a new existing project, you can click on new. Now we also have families, and families are the individual elements that help build your project. So you can create these families from scratch by using family templates. And we'll talk more about families as we go through the course. We're going to be building families such as doors, windows, furniture, and a whole lot more. And then we will add these families to our project. So families are individual elements, and these are the ingredients that you add to your project or models on top. Now, what's also interesting is on the top left, you will see your Revit logo, and this is our start view here. So if you click on here, you can switch to what the Revit UI is. And when you always want to switch back to the home screen, you can click on the home button here. So it will always bring you back to the home screen. On the top right, you will be able to find your account details where you can sign out and log in maybe with another license. If you click on account details, it opens your account details. And then we also have the help button and more.